In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create pie charts using Notion AI step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is perfect if you're using Notion for dashboards, reports, planning, or data visualization, and you want a clean pie chart directly inside your workspace without using any external tools. We'll be using Notion's built-in Mermaid code feature, which works seamlessly and looks great. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, AI tutorials, and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to add your pie chart. If you're starting fresh, click on New Page. You can name this page anything you want, like Pie Chart Example or Data Visualization. Once your page is open, click anywhere on the blank space so your cursor is active. Next, type /code on your keyboard. This opens up the block menu in Notion. From the list, click on Code. By default, the code block will usually be set to plain text, but we need to change that. At the top of the code block, click the language dropdown and select Mermaid. This is very important because Mermaid is what allows Notion to render diagrams and charts visually. Now that your code block is set to Mermaid, click inside it and type Pie. This tells Notion that you're about to create a pie chart. On the next line, type Title and then the name of your chart. For example, you can type Title Sample Pie. This title will appear at the top of your pie chart once it's rendered. After adding the title, it's time to define the slices of your pie chart. Each slice represents a portion of the data. To do this, type the name of the slice followed by a colon and then the value. For example, you might type slice 1, 40, and then on the next line, slice 2, 60. These numbers determine the size of each section of the pie. You can add as many slices as you want by continuing this same format on new lines. Once you finish typing your slices, click outside the code block or press Escape. Notion will automatically render the pie chart for you. You'll now see a clean, visual pie chart displayed directly on your page. If something doesn't look right, just click back into the code block and adjust the values or labels. You can rename slices, change numbers, or update the title at any time, and the chart will update instantly. This makes it extremely flexible for tracking progress, budgeting, analytics, or any kind of breakdown data. And that's it. You've successfully created a pie chart in Notion using Mermaid code. It's fast, free, and works beautifully with Notion AI-powered workflows. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.